Let's talk about budgeting, real talk. I'm Joyce Tanke, your personal financial expert. Ang hirap talaga mag-budget, 'di ba? Especially kung ganito lang yung income mo, pero ang expenses mo ganyan. So anong solusyon 'yan? I attended this talk and talagang inisip ko talaga tama yung sinasabi ng speaker. Only way for you to be financially free is if you have excess income. And nowadays, ang excess income, ibig sabihin yan, at least 6 streams of income. And yun talaga yung sinasabi ko sa lahat. Kasi, number one, tingnan mo yung mga billionaires, diba? Kalat yung mga businesses nila. Because yung risks nila nakaspread out. Yung active income mo, hindi lang yan active. Dapat matuto ka rin gumawa ng passive income. Even if may active income ngayon, pwede ka pa rin mag-sideline. So it doesn't matter whether anong klaseng income yan, basta income. So because of the pandemic, 3 years ago, ang dami talagang naging mas creative. Kasi natuto tayo mag-isip outside our comfort zone, outside the box. Because we know we are capable of doing more. We can do more things and do greater things and not stick to our comfort zone. We are really changing our mindset. Iiba rin yung mga papasok sa buhay natin, di ba? We can talk to people who are more successful. Tingnan natin paano yung frame of mind nila. Resources out there. Internet is there. There's a lot of content out there na makakatulong sa atin. Pero nasa sa atin na rin yun if you want to have better lives.